Hi everyone. We have done two processes here. One is showing the circuit output that we have given in the problem statement, and additionally we have interfaced the IoT using IFTTT and ThinkSpeaker. The main objective of this project is to detect the CO2 level and temperature level in the car closet. It will alert the user. We may aware that when concentration of carbon dioxide level goes up, the temperature also goes up. We are doing the software simulation now due to the current situation, but in hardware we might have given more features. Now we are looking our circuit. In this, we have to use MQ7 gas sensor for CO2, but it won't provide the digital output. It will provide only real-time output. It will give alert when the 1500 ppm and 70-degree above level of the both carbon dioxide and temperature level respectively. Otherwise, it won't give alert. We have used LM35 sensor for the temperature detection, and also we used microprocessor. We'll see our output in the virtual terminal. We are seeing our output in the terminal like alert, CO2 high, and CO2 level also. In case if we did this process in hardware means we'll get the alert in mobile with the help of Blink server connected by our Bluetooth module in the mobile.
This circuit now shows the output of the carbon dioxide level and the temperature. Since we are not using real-time simulations right now, we have used a variable resistor here, which can be replaced by MQ7 gas sensor, which can be interfaced using Bluetooth module to IoT platform directly. But since we are using a software platform right here, we cannot interface it directly with the IoT. So we are taking um, yeah, we are taking assumed values for IoT for implementation. See, as we change the value of the variable resistor here, the value of the CO2 level changes, which can be uh, modified with MQ7 gas sensor. Here, as we change the value of temperature, the value of temperature decreases and increases. And the output shown in the virtual temperature shows the alert when the temperature and the carbon dioxide level increases the expected value. So the virtual temperature shows alert, and it records the alert values, temperature alert and CO2 alert respectively. Stop பண்ணியா இல்லையா பிரீத்தி? We can connect a Bluetooth module here, and we can connect that Bluetooth module using Comfort and to the Blink server directly. We can get the output which we get here in the LCD screen directly in the Bluetooth module. If we are using a hardware prototype, we can connect the microprocessor directly to the IoT using API keys. And since we are not using hardware project here, we have used some assumed output data, and we have imported the data as CSV file to the IoT ThinkSpeak platform. The CO2 level is shown in graph here, and the temperature is shown here. If we have used Bluetooth module, and if we connected using IoT platform, the temperature and the CO2 level will change every second, and it will be updated to the server directly. But since we have imported the file, it does not change. It will modify as we change the data from the CSV file. We have connected IFTTT into ThinkSpeak platform using webhooks, and we have interface IFTTT also. If we give the command check air quality in car using Google Assistant, uh, it will directly check the temperature and the CO2 level from the ThinkSpeak platform, and in case if it gives any alert, it will directly show it to you in the Google Assistant.